Maglabas lang tayo ng saloobin dito. So, ngayon, ganito kasi ang nangyari. So, hindi porket minimum wage ka lang ay kailangan mo ng maliitin yung isang tao. So, wala kayong alam kung anong kaganapan na nangyayari. So, kapag minimum yung wage yung tao ay minamaliit na nila kasi sila ay malaki ang sahod. So, hindi nila alam yung minsan pareho lang tayo malaki o maliit yung sahod, wala kayong alam sa mga pangyayari kasi wala kayo sa bahay nila. Ganon. So, ayun na nga. Meron akong kakilala, naging kaibigan ko siya, naging close friend ko siya. Ayun, ano talaga siya, sinabi talaga niya sa akin kasi gusto niya that time na ako ay sasali sa business niya. So, ayun, business niyang wala namang katuturan. So, nagme-message siya sa akin, sabi niya, ito na yung chances mo na maging mayaman. Mayaman? Bakit naging mayaman na ba siya ngayon? Hindi. Walang nangyayari sa kanya. Ganon. So, huwag ka kasi magsalita ng kahit anong-ano sa kapwa mo, lalo na kaibigan mo yan. You are very wrong of what you're saying. So, you have to be very careful and pinagpalit mo yung friendship mo kaysa business mo kuno. Business mo, online business na nothing to do with that one. I don't care kung ano-ano pa yan. So, ngayon, ang sabi niya sa akin noon, way back, years ago, it was years ago, ngayon ko lang kasi pinagtagmi-tagmi ko kasi yun ang tingin ng mga tao sa amin na nagtatrabaho sa isang certain company, sa isang retail, na mahirap kami. So, ayun, wala naman akong pakialam dyan but I still want to say something to those who are hearing now na nagkakamali kayo ng tingin ng ganyan. So, ngayon, kung minimum lang ang wage namin, so ano ngayon? Nagbayad kami ng bills, bakit nanghihingi ba kami sa inyo? Wala kaming hinihingi, no? Wala kaming hinihingi kahit isang piso, kahit isang penny. And we are not even borrowing money from any people. We have money. Kami pang hinihiraman na hindi pa nagsusuli ng hiram nila. Ganun. So, itong friend ko, ex-friend ko, sabi niya sa akin na, yun, hanggang ngayon, mahirap ka pa rin. So, yan pala ang tingin niya sa akin. Wow, okay. Totoo naman siguro, pero for me, buti alam niyang mahirap kami. Pero ako, hindi ko alam na mahirap pala ako, ganun. Hindi ko alam na mahirap pala kami. Sa tingin lang niya yun. Nagbe-base siya kung ano yung sahod namin, kung magkano yung sinasahod namin both mag-asawa. Kasi alam niyang dyan na is minimum lang, tag 15 lang. So, kasi nga ganito, meron kaming anak na hindi kami nagpa-daycare, di ba? So, kami nagsalitan kami sa trabaho namin. Nagsasalitan kami sa pagbabantay ng anak namin. So, ayun, pag umaga siya, at ako naman ay pang afternoon until evening onwards. So, wala naman kaming problema sa financial namin. We can eat decent, we pay bills, and we even bought a house. Diba? We save money. We even bought jewelries, gold, whatever. And we even can afford to go vacation with Ingrandi. We spent a lot there because that is our savings and we did not touch any credit cards. Yun. So, ano bang pakialam nila tungkol dyan, diba? So, yan. Yan. So, ayun. Hindi lang siya ang may tingin ng ganyan. Hindi lang siya. Pati yung mga tao nagtatanong nga bakit nga ba si husband ay hindi nag-upgrade. Kasi nga may reason kami. I don't need to explain you why. You're out of our business, our fucking business, di ba? May reason kami. Wala kayong pakialam. I don't need to explain why. So, ganon. At hindi kami nanghihingi. Kung sa tingin ninyo kami ay very poor, okay, nagsasuggest lang kayo. Wala namang masama sa mag-suggest. But please lang, leave us alone. Ganon lang yon. Ganon. Kasi alam namin kung paano minamanage namin yung salapi namin. And besides, hindi niyo alam kung anong mga, pangyayari. So, yan. So, ito namang, natin, yung mga yung iba ding mga tao, o bakit hindi ka nag-aaral? Yes, nag-aaral po ako. I've been into that one. Ay, naglo-loan po ako ng student loan. Kasi, that time, ano kasi yun, pang, ano lang ko kasi yun, pang, anong tawag nito? Kung, pang, yung, pag, hindi to okay itong isang job na to, I can go that. Pang certificate ko lang yun. So, ganon. So, bakit hindi ako na ganon sa ganito? Alam nyo ba, na pag sa trabaho ko, malapit lang siya. Malapit lang. At anytime, ako ay nag-walk. So, wala akong ginagamit na transportation or anything. Only I'm using my feet to walk. Snow, summer, whatever seasons is that, I am walking. Diba? So, nagtitipid literally kami. Pero sa pagkain at sa mga travel na dyan, kung may sa travel, kailangan nating mag-ipon. So, sinabi ko na it doesn't matter how much your salary is. The matter is that what's matter most is how much you keep in your pocket and how much you invest. Yun yung siya. Yun yung how do you handle your finances. So, ayun. Yung talaga, yun ang mga mas importante. Kaya, wag ninyong sabihin na ganito, ganyan. Pero, it's all up to you. It's your decision. By the way. So, yeah. So, yung mga bakit yung may $15 dollars lang yung sahod nyo per hour, bakit hindi kayo gumanap ng ibang trabaho for santo ay hindi kami nagtatrabaho ng double job. Kasi double job na kami, nagbantay kami ng anak namin, and I want to have a peace of mind. I want to have I want to have a peace of mind. I don't want to stress. I don't want to stress out the things, especially yung mga bagay na hindi dapat gastusin. I don't want to stress out. I don't want to work hard for that one. Work smart, sabi pa nga Yeah, diba? So, bakit ko naman pag-anuhin yung sarili ko sa mga bagay na nakaka-stress ko lang para lang sabihin may marami akong salapi. Yes! May marami talaga. May ganun. May konting ipon. So, yan. Gusto nila kasing sa bagay, yun talaga. Iron din yung mga itong mga customer din namin sa store namin. Yun din ang iniisip Meron pang isang teenager na magnanakaw. Dalawa na yun sila plus other customer na nagsasabi na paano ba kami nakapag-survive, pero sabi naman niya, I hope you don't mind. So I don't mind about that. So paano ba kami nakapag-survive daw sa minimum wage? Sabi ko, yung husband ko is minimum lang, ako din is minimum, but we are good in financial things. Hindi kami nag-stress out, hindi kami nag-double job or ano. We are very good, and I am able to sleep if I could 10 hours a day. That is my sleeping pattern is 10 hours. More than that one, it's not good to sleep more than that one. So, wala akong stress. Hindi ko sinistress out yung mga tao. Natawa lang ako, and I just like to make a content for that one. So, I have a content to this one, which is really, really true. Na happening, what is happening, what the people says to us when you are earning a small little amount. But, they do not know how much you invested, how much you save in your bank, and how much you invested, right? So, wala silang idea for that one. So, ayun. Sa kaibigan ko naman dati, ay, ex ko na siyang friend. Kasi hindi siya magandang friend Hindi. Wala talagang kagandahan sa kanya. Pangit pa niya, ang pangit ang ugali niya. O, diba? Ganun lang yun. So, ayun, yun na nga yung bata. Kasi nagnakaw siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, what are you studying? Sabi namin, are you studying? He answered to me, yes. Oh, you're studying to become a homeless. I said, yes. He said to me, yes. And he suddenly, before that one, I said, oh, you mean you want to get a free from any store? Oh, that's nice job. So just be careful that nobody can catch you. Otherwise, you will be ended into jail. Said. So now, what he's told me back this way. Why? You're working this way, you have a low wage. How come you say, and what do you think if I have a low wage? I said, broke. Do you think so? That is what your perception? Oh, that's what your mindset is? You do not know what's going on, right? So, I said to him, well, it is up to you if you, how you handle your finances. If you want to be broke as always, as what your, how much your wage is. It doesn't matter how much your wage is. It's the matter how much you save and invest. So you kid, you are not going to judge the minimum wage. If you are going into minimum wage, you have to take care of that job, because there's a lot of people now looking for a job, and you are just too lucky and too blessed to have that job. So you have to take care of that job, even if it's low minimum. So you have to take care every penny of your life. So that is the most important. And I told him, do you want to come to my place? I can show you. And I can show you how much I save and how much I invested. That because of my low wage is making me more better to handle the money. Yeah, that's right. So, wag ninyong maliitin yung mga low wage income. Kasi, hindi nyo alam na kayo pa ang mas poor pa kaysa kanila. Yeah. So, ayun. That is the most important, na kailangan mo talaga i-handle yung mga finances mo. Malaki man o maliit yung sahod mo, kailangan alam mo kung paano ka mag-invest, paano ka mag-ipon. Kasi yun yung key dyan, para hindi ka maghihirap, para wala kang sakit.
How come Norwegian is serious? Grabe serious Norwegian.
Charity is all okay.
Tapos na.